Hi guys, it's that time of the year again at summer na naman. So we need to take care of some outdoor stuffs. Nandito ako ngayon sa ating garage number 1 because that is garage number 2. Dalawa yung units natin and this area is more of our working area. Diyan mo makikita yung ating washing machine. Dito kami naglalaba, naglilinis. Yung ibang mga stuffs nandyan. So, this area might tend to be more makalat. But, in our very own way, we try to make things clearer and cleaner from time to time. Kagaya ngayon, since December of last year, hanggang ngayong first quarter, hindi siya masyado na-attend because marami talaga inaasikaso. But right now, kasi we're planning to fix the garden on the other garage, we are planning to put the pool again. Meron tayong temporary pool for the summer para sa mga kids, saka para pwede mag-lub-lub-lub-lub. So right now, isahan na natin since maglilinis tayo dito and to clear out things. And let's see what we can improve. Alam niyo naman, ang tito nyo mahilig sa mga home improvements at saka mga pag-aayos ng mga bagay. So I hope kung ano makikita nyo sa video na to could help you sa inyong sariling paglilinis din. So if you want to know yung mga hacks the way I do it, or kapag merong kayong gustong makita kung paano ginagawa ito, again, I'm not an expert but I'd show you in this video kung paano ko ginagawa at maglinis at saka yung mga important stuffs na kailangan sa paglinis. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video. Thank you! So this is our washing machine. This is like 8 years old na, guys. Sobrang tibay niyan. Kaya kita nyo naman gamit na. It's by the brand Panasonic. And this year, praying na mapalitan na to. But you know, this is an ordinary washing machine. Wala siyang dryer. It's not fully automatic pero so far so good. Nagagamit naman nating mabuti yan. So, pardon me for the view. This might be not as pleasing as to the eyes, but there. Ito yung lilinisin natin ngayong araw. May supply rack or hardware rack. So, you can see before na-labelan ko na to. Dito natin nilalagay mga laundry liquids, cleaning tools, fire igniting items, insecticides. Nung panahon ng pandemic, we have plantito tools, as may mga iba pa yan. So, nakita nyo, medyo neglected na tong area na to. By the way, guys, I have this baston of mine. I called it my magic baston. This makes life easier for me. Kasi yan, nag-grip ko siya. And pag may pupulutin, alam nyo naman, medyo hindi makayoko dahil meron tayong beautiful belly. So, kagaya may kukunin, ganyan. Or especially kapag nagpupulot ng basura or whatever. There you go. May TV kami dito kasi kapag nag-chill kami dito sa baba, we used to do video okay at saka nanood ng TV. Pero matagal na yung hindi gagamit, so binubuhay natin yan. And then, ito yung mga ibang stuffs natin na may organize natin. I have my iced tea para hindi tayo mauhaw. And yung mga nandun sa taas, ayusin din natin. Okay? By the way, it's really very helpful to have a pressure washer sa loob ng bahay nyo. I mean, sa bahay nyo, sa household nyo. Kasi this really helps you when cleaning yung mga floors, yung mga singit-singit, especially yung mga nilulumot. It really does the job. And pag naglilinis din ng car, kapag hindi nagka-car wash, nagagamit din yan. So that is one wise investment as well. This fridge naman, guys, it's actually not working. Parang mga 4 months na siyang hindi gumagana. And hinihintay pa namin yung parts niya doon sa service center. Whirlpool naman yung brand niyan. Hindi pa namin siya binubuksan. Pero this is very helpful as well. This one is the freezer side. That is the fridge side. The ref side. And yun. Kaya medyo nahirapan din kami mag-stock ng food lately kasi yung ref lang sa taas. If you might be asking bakit nandito sa baba yung ref namin, hindi siya kasya pag inakyat doon sa taas. So, dito na lang siya. So, isa ding reason kaya gusto ko i-organize to kasi gusto ko maging parang very hygienic yung area kasi pwede rin kaming prepare ng food here. And parang plano ko magpalagay ng lababo dito. Ito may nakaabang na yan. So, sayang naman kung hindi. May nabibili yata yung mga instant lababo. So, that would help. In this area naman guys, medyo tambak na yung mga boxes, mga kung ano-anong bagay. Yun, ayusin natin yan. Napaka-ironic no guys kasi parang no matter how you keep everything organized and you keep everything good, eh, magiging makalat pa rin siya. And kahit sabihin mong very OC ka na at very maalaga, medyo napapaisip ka pa rin na bakit nagiging makalat? Siguro dahil nga buhay tayo, dahil we are a living matter, we consume space. Next, naging scientific na dito. But there, it's a nice thing that we have this urge to, you know, fix things up. Another thing pala guys, kapag naglilinis kayo ng ganito, wala ako sa opinion. Pag naglilinis kayo ng ganito, it's very important na you put mosquito repellent. Kasi minsan pag pumupunta kayo sa mga lugar-lugar na mga medyo na-istakan ng mga lamok, may tendency na makagat kayo. So, this is very helpful. This is from Tiger Balm. Mosquito repellent. Ilagay nyo lang siya sa legs, even sa damit, para hindi kayo dapuan ng lamok because minsan it could be a dengue carrier, diba? So, important yan. Konti lang naman. It really goes a long way. Okay? So, tito tip again yan. Pag maglilinis outdoors, don't forget to have a mosquito repellent. So, pinapalipat muna natin yung mga gamit. Lipat muna natin yung mga gamit. Yung rep, pakibulsa. Bulsayin mo yung rep. Yan, buti na lang. Meron akong mga katuwang. Si Kuya Francis, Kuya Goying, Mang Dolpo, Ate Roso. See those clutters? Tanggal muna namin yan. Oo. Okay, we are almost done. Actually, we're done for the day. And as you could see, medyo clear na yung area. Thoroughly cleaned the garage area. And medyo nagka-problema lang kami nung una kasi ayaw gumana ng pressure washer. The cleaning would really depend on that machine. So, buti na lang my ever faithful electrician, carpenter, all around Mike comes to the rescue na ayos niya. So you can see nagamit naman natin sa mga previous video. I'm gonna show you guys around kung ano yung naging improvements dito. As you can see guys, clear muna tong area na to. And if you could smell, it's really smells good and you could really see and feel the cleanliness. Kita nyo, tinatanggal ko muna lahat ng gamit dyan. Even here, so everything we disinfected. By the way guys, ito yung mga tools na ginamit namin. Of course, the pressure washer. Kasi itong mga ito, very helpful yan. Para siyang wiper, rubber na para pag pang sweep ng water. Meron din kaming smaller version. Of course, we have the mop. Tapos may scoba din yung kaninang nakita nyo. So there. Clear muna ang area. And I always wanted kasi to start something on a blank canvas. So, sa pagdating ng bagong appliance natin, I would love to just put everything para new area. We're probably doing it banda dito. So that's for our next step naman. So there. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saan namin nilagay yung aming mga kalat. Andito siya sa kabila. Ayan muna siya guys. So tomorrow yan naman ang lilinisin namin. Okay? So we're on unit 2 guys. This is the situation right now. Yung mga kalat kasi sa kabila, dinala muna namin dito. So this is the part that we will be doing project, which is we're gonna be setting up again the pool and do some plantito thing. And right now turn out to be na sakto lang din because nagpipintura sila kuya. Yan. So this is our landlord's bonus sa amin. So thank you very much Sir Mark kasi hindi niya pinapabayaan yung mga units namin. So yearly yan, annually nagpipintura, nagre-refresh ng paint. So pakita ko sa inyo. Yun. Para fresh sila. So we have 2 units, unit 1 and unit 2. This is the parang guest house. So ayusin natin to. So, we're gonna do summer barbecue, pool. May plan din kami ni Dee na maglagay ng workout. Dito na namin ilalagay yung workout area. Mag-workout ba? So let's see guys. So as you could see, sobrang napaka-irresponsible tong plantito dahil nag-dry na yung mga plants natin. So sad because during the pandemic and until late last year, sobrang naalagaan to. Pero so sobrang hindi na focus at maraming ginawa. This is actually heartbreaking for me. Pero yun nga, we're gonna be doing something for this, okay? So ito yung mga plants ng iba bigay. Ito bigay, halos bigay. Ito lang yung binili ko. So ito buhay pa naman siya, but medyo kita nyo naman very worse yung ay nako, basta ayusin natin yan. Ingat ha, ingat. Hi guys, I would just like to give you an update regarding our cleaning dito sa Unit 2. I never expected na mas pagod dito kasi talagang ito yung matagal na hindi nilinisan. So as you could see, medyo na-declutter na namin pero na-categorize na namin ulit. These are the stuffs na ililipat sa kabila naman. Tapos those are the swimming pool, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. These are the stuffs na ilalagay din sa kabila na bago ilagay sa kabila, i-organize din. So, yun. I really can't show you pa kung ano yung hindi mo makikita but pretty soon, takes days siguro to a week bago namin maayos lahat. So yun, okay din kasi nakapagpapawis tayo and this is actually my form of exercise. And speaking of exercise, sana magamit ko na yung mga yan. Kahit pang cardio lang. So yun, I'm having a good sweat. Excuse me. Yun. Hindi kami nagbasa ngayon dito, so more on pagwawalis lang at saka pag-categorize ng mga bagay. That's it for day 2 of cleaning our baba. Kinaninis ko na rin kay Francis yung mga tuyong dahon ng plant. So, para maayos na natin siya. It's a good thing that I have helping hands. We're slowly getting back mga things.
Habang sana mainit pa. Bukas na magtuturo na yan, tapos maharap mo
Aray ko.
hapon.
So, ginamit namin yung pang-exercise bilang sampayan. May kabayo dito. Hindi pala giant food. Okay, we're doing carpet number 2. Mas madali. Alam natin, natito ka na pag natutuwa ka sa mga ganitong bagay. Mas easy ito kasi hindi siya fur. Hindi siya yung pala rubberized carpet. So, easier ang sampay at magaan. And nakita nyo naman sa previous video, ang dali matanggal. So, we're clearing this area kasi we're setting up the pool. Yes! So, we are setting the pool. Siyempre, may ever-reliable mic. Sabi nyo lang naman to, pero mas okay pag si Mike ang gumawa. Tapos na kami nag-general cleaning ngayon. The banyo is mabango na. Actually, ngayon lang talaga magagamit to ever since kami ay nag-move noong December 2022. Kasi almost 1 year kaming walang tubig dito dahil may issue yung dating gumamit. So 1 year walang water. Okay, so set up na namin yung pool. And finally, nasukatan na rin ni Mike because we're planning to make it a framed area. I'm gonna turn this area into a tropical Balinese style with some kind of a dipping pool, whatever. So watch out for the transformation. Alright, new day. And pagising ko, iniigiban na ni Mika yung water. So haven't done much cleaning or organizing pa. So medyo magulo pa, pero lagyan na ng water. Kasi 2 days na lang magkakaroon na kami ng swimming party for Good Friday. So kailangan na lagyan. So ito muna yung setup natin. So this is another video, another day. As usual, wasted ang tito nyo. And today is Holy Wednesday. And as you could see, set up na namin yung pool. At nag-i-inflate na ako ng mga salbabida na gagamitin. So tomorrow we are going to have Budol fight. And update lang kung naaalala nyo, magulo yung medyo nalinis na siya, pero hindi pa yan yung na-achieve. Pero we have made it parang just in time for tomorrow's Budol fight kasi darating yung mga relatives, friends, and yung mga babies din, mga pamangkins will be here. So, we're making the area ready. Yan. Hey, it's summer! Where's our toy? Show it to them. Memeing time.